If you enjoyed upgrading words like very tired or very good, you'll love this next level. We're diving into 20 more powerful, expressive English words that replace the boring basics. Use them to stand out in conversations, emails, and everyday life. Let's begin round 2. Instead of very funny, say hilarious. It's an instant upgrade that adds punch and drama. Picture yourself laughing uncontrollably. That's hilarious. Example, the movie was absolutely hilarious. Replace very busy with swamped. It sounds natural and intense. Imagine being buried under tasks, swamped. Example, I've been swamped with work all week. Instead of very cold, say freezing. It's more vivid and expressive. Picture icy breath in the air, freezing. Example, it's freezing outside today. Say spectacular instead of very impressive. It adds color and awe. Think fireworks, something truly spectacular. Example, her performance was spectacular. Use gorgeous instead of very pretty. It feels richer and more heartfelt. Think of a glowing sunset. That's gorgeous. Example, that dress looks gorgeous on you. Instead of very rude, say obnoxious. It adds depth and specificity. Picture someone being loud and offensive, obnoxious. Example, his comments were completely obnoxious. Swap very weak for frail. It paints a gentler, more emotional picture. Think of a withering leaf, frail. Example, the old man looked frail but kind. Instead of very fast, say swift. It sounds elegant and efficient. Imagine a bird darting through the sky, swift. Example, she made a swift recovery. Use terrified instead of very afraid. It shows true fear. Think of a person frozen in place, terrified. Example, he was terrified to speak in public. Say enraged instead of very mad. It sounds fiery and serious. Picture someone yelling with red cheeks, enraged. Example, the crowd was enraged after the announcement. Instead of very clean, try immaculate. It means perfectly clean. Think of a spotless room. Not a speck in sight, immaculate. Example, her kitchen was immaculate. Use ancient instead of very old. It adds richness and history. Imagine a crumbling temple, ancient. Example, they explored the ancient ruins. Swap very risky for perilous. It sounds dramatic and urgent. Think of climbing a cliff without a rope, perilous. Example, the journey was perilous but worth it. Instead of very clever, say ingenious. It praises creativity and intelligence. Picture a clever invention, ingenious. Example, that was an ingenious solution. Use vital instead of very necessary. It means something essential to survival or success. Think no oxygen, no life, vital. Example, it's vital to stay hydrated. Replace very lazy with slothful. It sounds poetic and formal. Picture a slow-moving sloth, slothful. Example, his slothful attitude cost him the opportunity. Say mesmerizing instead of very interesting. It captures deep fascination. Imagine being unable to look away, mesmerizing. Example, her storytelling was mesmerizing. Instead of very lucky, say fortunate. It's more refined and modest. Think grace met preparation, fortunate. Example, we were fortunate to escape unharmed. Use colossal instead of very large. It adds epic scale. Picture a mountain or ancient statue, colossal. Example, they built a colossal monument. Say crucial again. No, this time use paramount instead of very important. It's a powerful synonym that implies top priority. Example, your safety is of paramount importance. Great speakers choose their words with care. These 20 advanced upgrades are simple to learn but powerful in impact. Use them daily and watch how people start to notice the difference. Like, share, and subscribe to Everyday English Boost for more lessons like this, where words do the heavy lifting.